So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. Today I am in Hyderabad at Necklace Road. There is an EV Expo going on here. So today's date is December 12, 2021. So I am here with Sachin, one of the team of Bounce Infinity Electric Scooter. Could you explain what is this new retrofitment project from Bounce?
Yeah, so this is this is an initiative called Zoink Retrofit. That's Zoink is a subsidiary of Bounce. So we are operating as a subsidiary under Bounce. So we under Zoink, what we do is we convert your petrol scooters to electric. So if you have an old Activa or a Scooty Zest or a Access or a Jupiter, so we convert that to electric. So that's the whole concept.
Okay. So how much does it cost for you to?
So if you were to pay the entire amount, it will cost you about 26,000. And we are talking to governments to offer subsidy. So Karnataka is having a draft policy wherein they are offering a subsidy of about 5,000 on this. So we are taking that to other governments as well. So after the subsidy, it will cost you about 21,000. We also have an option wherein a customer could trade in their old engine. So there is a further discount of about 2,500 to 3,000 that we offer basis the condition. And a realistic price for you to convert your petrol scooter to electric will be roughly about 18,000 rupees.
So is it ARAI certified?
Yes, it is. All the kits that we are offering are homologated and certified by ARAI.
So in the conversion process, which includes a motor, controller, wiring, everything?
Yes. You get a rear wheel mounted hub motor. There is a controller that goes in. And we also offer a digital instrumentation cluster as part of the conversion process. So we remove the analog ones that comes with them and give you a digital look as well.
So this is a TVS scooter.
This is a TVS Scooty Zest that we've converted.
For example, if some person having an Activa or some Jupiter like that, so based on the scooters, will you going to fit the motor rating, everything?
So every kit that we have right now is already been certified by ARAI on the model. So we have separate kits with modular changes that is required for us to do convert every scooter model that's available. So if it's a Scooty Zest, then there is a different kit with certain changes that goes in. But all of these are ARAI approved. So there is nothing that we do differently basis model. It's all already approved by ARAI.
So 26,000 rupees only for the kit?
Only for the
it's
conversion.
Not included the battery?
No, not at all. It's only the conversion. So what we also do is once you convert, we put you onto the battery swapping network. So just like how you fill petrol, you can go swap batteries and you can keep about going. So the biggest thing that we are also doing here is that battery costs you a lot, right? So and it's a depreciating asset. So we don't want people to buy batteries. So we have an extensive swapping network that we have in a city like Bangalore and Vijayawada. And we're also expanding across India as part of the whole company initiative. So you'll be able to dip into that network and get your batteries for your swapping.
So you mean to say the Bounce Infinity even electric scooter swap stations can be used by the rest of
it? Can be. So we are also having a parallel network basis volumes wherein we can have a separate network or even more denser network for the retrofit scooters.
Okay. What about the five? You mentioned to say the swapping station network initially going to start in only two cities or?
Not at all. For Bounce Infinity we are gunning. We are having swap stations set up in the top 6 cities, and we are also working with various agencies. We are working with the government as well to go as deep as at a taluk level in India, wherein we'll have partners who will have swapping stations.
So initial level there will be 6 cities.
6 cities is where we'll have the swapping station to start with, right? And we will also have partnerships. So ideally, it'll be wrong for me to say it'll be just 6 cities, but by the time the scooters are out for deliveries, you'll realize that every district or every taluk has a swapping station, and these 6 cities will have the most dense swapping stations available in India.
So Bounce customers have a new option, that is a retrofitting process. For example, if you own a petrol scooter, you can take the scooter to the Bounce team and they will retrofit for you. It will cost you around 26,000 rupees only for the retrofitment kit, which includes the motor, controller and the wiring, everything. Whereas for the batteries, you don't need to buy a battery for this electric scooter. Instead, you can use the existing Bounce swap stations where you can pay monthly rental for that, and you can use that where you don't need to own the complete ownership of a battery pack. That makes the ownership easier for any customer. For genuine information about electric vehicles, please to subscribe to Electric Vehicle channel, and for fast updates, please to follow Facebook page, website and Telegram group.
Go green, go electric.